In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where Roblox gets stuck on the joining server screen. So first thing you want to do is check internet connection. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, you will first restart your router and then connect to the network. After you do that, then try launching Roblox again. Next thing you want to do is update Roblox. For that, launch App Store, search for the app Roblox. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Because updating often fixes bugs and performance issues. Next thing you want to do is navigate to your preferred browser, then head towards the website like Down Detector. Once you're in the website, search for Roblox. If you found out any outages in the Roblox server, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their side. And that's it. These are some fixes for the issue where Roblox gets stuck on joining server screen. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.